Hello everyone, once again, welcome to our bilingual early childhood education class. I am Professor Diana Carolina Durango, and basically let's wrap up this last strategy, which is last but not least of the math toolbox that we have, and which is the treasure box. Treasure box are really interesting. It's a really interesting strategy actually, because they can explore nature and naturally, which is something that characterizes children. And the idea is to grab a box, a card box, plastic box, or wool box, anything that you can put, it cuts the attention of children, and you can put things in there, things that are meaningful to them, so they can play with, discover, they can explore, and they can build knowledge with this. And it's a really good opportunity to involve parents, so they can also, maybe bring something really important for children, like their favorite toy or something that is meaningful to them. What else can we put in there? We can put recycling materials, reusables, didactic material, elements from nature. And the idea is that we take advantage of this learning opportunity so we can help children advance in their English language acquisition, knowledge, and all this vocabulary and language chunks that they will be acquiring, as they go along. And you can work with them, sizes, colors, shapes. There are many things that you can work, materials, the type of materials, and on. Okay, guys, so with this, I close up the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave some comments. And see you on our next video. Have a good one. Take care.